Step 3. Set up your copy trading account para sa TradeGPT. So once na nakalagin ka na sa multibank mo, select mo itong platforms and then go to social trading. So dito mareredirect ka sa page na to and ire-require ka niya na mag-login. So wala ka namang ibang ilalagay dito kundi yung server na account mo. Here sa server, so for example, I'm using MT5. Sa username, ito yung iyong trading account number and then yung password ng account mo. So ayan, nakapasok na ako and ito yung makikita mo, yung home page. So para ma-set up mo yung iyong copy trading account, you just have to click new subscription, this one. So now, select mo yung trading account na pagkakapihan mo. And then sa provider, you just search for FCAT Trade GPT. And then there will be two offers. Merong Trade GPT 500 and merong 1,000. So depending on your capital, whether $500 or 1,000. So kung ang pinili mo is yung ating basic setting, you go for 500. For premium, you go for 1,000. So let's say this one yung iyong pinili, yung basic setting natin na GPT 500. So you just have to click create. And then yan, mareredirect ka dito. So attention, don't forget to set up your copying options before activation. So select mo muna itong okay. So ayan, magkakaroon ka ng subscription profile number. So before ka mag-activate this one, before mo yan i-click, okay, scroll mo muna sa baba and ayusin natin yung settings. Yan. Once na makita mo tong subscription strategy na part, ito lang yung ating hahanapin. Click mo tong edit. And then sa volume scaling, just click multiply. And then select 1. Ibig sabihin yan, kung ano yung trade ng master account, trade din ng account mo. 1:1. If naka 0.01 ako, matik naka 0.01 ka rin. So yung master trader account sa TradeGPT, if nag 0.02, automatic naka 0.02 ka kasi naka-multiply by 1. Do not ever change the volume multiplier kasi magiging high risk yung trading. So kung ano lang yung trade ng account natin, trade din ng account mo, 1:1. So ito yung settings. Okay? So others nagkakamali dito because ang nalalagay nilang volume multiplier is 10, sometimes 2, sometimes 3. So stick mo lang sa 1. Okay? Now, for $1,000 na capital, all you have to do is ilagay 1.5. And that's it. So, yun yung ating setting for 1,000. Sa mga naka-premium setting, ang volume multiplier mo is 1.5. For 500, 1 lang. Okay? And then, save changes. So, subscription has been updated. So, dahil okay na itong subscription strategy natin, we can now activate our copy trading account. So, select mo lang tong activate. Yan. So, pagka-activate mo, don't forget to log in sa MetaTrader, yung iyong trading account para ma-monitor mo yung mga trades ng account mo.